Hello students, welcome to the online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for Standard 5th, subject E.V.S. 2, chapter Evolution. Let us now begin. Students, let us now see what is the concept of evolution. The word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous change. Evolution in the plant and animal world can be explained in the following manner. In the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of a species. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics, seen in all following generations. Thus, a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes the original species dies out or becomes extinct. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist to give us a systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. Species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive. The ones that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution. In ancient times, there were many species of a type of animal called dinosaur. Dinos in Greek means terrible and sauros means lizard or reptile. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. It appears that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. Fossils of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. We have learned in the previous lesson that life on Earth began with unicellular organisms known as protozoa. These unicellular organisms gave rise to multicellular living things. The multicellular organisms evolved gradually and various classes of plants and animals came into being. The following are the stages of evolution of animals. Invertebrates and vertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates, for example, a snail. Whereas vertebrates include the following class. Animals which have a backbone are called vertebrates. Look at the ones given below. For example, aquatic animals like fish, amphibians, animals which live in water and also on land. For example, a frog is an amphibian. Reptiles, animals which crawl, for example, a snake is a reptile. And birds, and also mammals, for example, cow. All these animals are examples of vertebrates. Let us now study more about mammals. Mammals are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. The following are the characteristics of most of the mammals. Growth of the body in the mother's womb for some time before birth. The baby is fed on the mother's milk for some time after birth. The platypus and species of anteater are exceptions to this. They are considered mammals because even though they lay eggs, they suckle their young ones. Apes are somewhat like humans in appearance. They mostly lived on trees. Those species of apes which continued to live on trees retained their original ape-like form. However, in grasslands, some ape species were forced to move around on the ground. These species evolved gradually and in time gave rise to the human species. This happened first on the African continent. The first human species is called the primitive man. Primitive means the first. In the next lesson, we shall learn more about the evolution of human species.